What's up, guys? We are back and I'm gonna give y'all a little update on things we got going on. So as you guys know, we had some unstill all of our stuff and we've kind of been getting back in the groove of things. So got a lot of stuff coming in this week and a bunch of it is already here, but of course we're still midweek, so got a few more things trickling in. So we're recovering from everything that we lost, so we decided to upgrade a little. Of course, natural function of things, if you get something gone and you're already looking at something better, you know, take this opportunity in stride, and I'm just gonna buy better and badder stuff, you know, to help out our program and help you guys out to bring the greatest content that you could possibly have, because we are definitely coming with it this coming year. So we had a few dates that were going to be in December for JJ, but we didn't get a chance to do those because of coronavirus. Since California shut down, we weren't able to hold any events there, so kind of a bummer, but it goes on. We'll have more events, but let's get into some of the things that we have got so far. So far, got me a Sony a7S III. This thing is probably one of the hardest cameras to find and buy right now. They are on permanent back order, what it seems like. Adorama says they're supposed to be getting some any day now, but that's been any day now for weeks now, and every place is back ordered, so scalpers are definitely buying these and putting $1,000 of over sticker on these. But I got a good deal on this one, straight from eBay. I reached out to a guy and he hit me back. It's brand new in the box. I checked everything out, I opened it up. So I got that in. Move this over here, and we have a small rig cage for it. We got a Sigma 85 1.4, we got a 35 1.4, we actually have a 24 to 70 coming, and I think I'm going to go ahead and get the 200 millimeter, not sure, 7200, but probably going to get that. A few miscellaneous cables that of course you need, you know, then HDMI cable for the gimbal, a couple of filters. This is a card reader, 64 gig RAM that is going into our new laptop, our new mobile setup. We got 8 batteries and 8 chargers for the Sony a7S III, so essentially have 9 batteries total. Probably gonna end up buying more batteries. Little gaming mouse for the laptop, 2 terabyte Samsung T7, so we got 2 of those now. Plan on buying a bunch more because we had a bunch of hard drives stolen. This is the HGX Prime that got stolen, but I don't know what it's doing up here. A couple of SanDisk cards, which we got a bunch more of those cards coming. And these are just NPF batteries and some chargers for big camera, Atomos, and other things. So we got 2 Atomos Ninja 5s coming, so those will be here probably tomorrow. And here is the new DJI RS2 gimbal, the Pro setup, which these are actually on back order too, but got my hands on one. So just got some good people in the corner and people are looking out for me, and we are definitely getting back on our feet here. And this is our new MSI laptop, which is going to be our new mobile station. This thing is beastly spec, has a i7-HK processor, came with 32 gigs of RAM, but you just seen we got 64 sitting right there, and it has a 2080 Max-Q GPU in it, so it's 8 gig RAM on the GPU itself. So that thing is going to render some videos like none other, and also has the awesome 4K QLED screen. So I don't think anything's gonna look more amazing than that. So can't wait to unbox some of this stuff. So we're gonna get some things out and I'll show you some of this stuff, you know, after I get everything open. All right, had to pop back in real quick because I just cracked the tape on that MSI laptop. And man, let's just admire how beautiful the box is on the inside. I mean, this thing, content creation. So this is the Creator Series laptop, fully spec'd, everything you can possibly get on it. And can't wait to get this thing open. Be right back, and it'll be open. Okay, as promised, I got this thing unboxed. Just got the laptop open. Man. And this thing is freaking beautiful. Pretty rocking setup here. Move our little keyboard cover. And man, this thing has everything. All the way from SD ports. It has 2 Thunderbolt connections over there. It even has a fingerprint scanner. How dope is that? So let's fire this thing up. Yo. Used to RGB keyboard, but this one has like a hyper white. So this is really different. Which is still cool, you know. Doesn't matter about having an RGB keyboard or not. To be for real. Just want to see what this display looks like. It's pretty nice. But I think it's bright. For sure. Pretty sure it's bright for y'all. But yeah. So getting this thing fired up, the only reason I went with i7 because I didn't want the loud noise of a i9, because I definitely read reviews and specs and everything, and everybody's like, i9, I can hear it like 2 rooms away. Like, this thing is fairly quiet. Just gonna go ahead and set it up now. Then I'm gonna get the camera unboxed, and we're gonna put the cage on it and do a few things with it. Be right back. Whew. So as expected, I'm in a sea of boxes over here, but got the A7S III out, got the 35 on it, and man, this thing is awesome. Got the computer set up, finally. This thing is pretty sweet. Face recognition. Wowzers. So put the small red cage on the A7S III and can't get my top handle on it for some reason. Came with a little extra rail. I'm probably gonna put that on there and see if that works, but that is probably what I'm gonna have to do. And we'll just end that for today's video. Just a little sneak peek of the things we got going on. So like I said, we're trying to recover, trying to get some things back so we can make some more content, so we can get some stuff out. Of course, we lost 80% of our content on those hard drives, but we do have a few cloud drive backups that we can put out a few more things, and taking this break from Street Outlaw stuff. Of course, like I said on a previous video or in the show, so definitely taking a break from that and getting life and the business back organized. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.